Hello everyone. In my video today I'm going to drive for Hanoi Old Quarter to show you how is Hanoi Old Quarter in low tourist season. This video is made today the 18th of June 2016, and this is Lý Nam Đế Street. There is a hotel in Lý Nam Đế Street. Is the Ray Hotel. Is one of the luxury hotel in Hanoi Old Quarter with around 100, more than 100 rooms in this hotel. Low tourist season in Hanoi starts from May to August. Because in summer Vietnam is very hot, and that's the high season for Vietnamese people to travel around. That's one of the reason why not a lot of foreigners traveling to Vietnam. This is the time for Vietnamese people to travel because their children have summer holidays. Traveling to Hanoi at the moment, it's very easy for you to find a lot of very nice hotel with a very low price. Some travel agencies are also closing during this low season. Hanoi Old Quarter is the place where most tourists choose to stay during their travel, during their holiday in Hanoi. There are few tourists walking on the street. Not really busy as it is in the high season. This is a new hotel. Normally daytime is less busy than nighttime because daytime tourists will go to Halong Bay, go to Ninh Bình and other day tours, and yeah, they also book 2-day 1-night tours to different places in the north of Vietnam as well. And in the evening is much more busy than as you can see now, because they return from their trip. When you visit Hanoi, this restaurant is highly recommended. Is highly recommended, and you guys also can join AZ Hanoi cooking class. At AZ Hanoi cooking class is not a cooking class show. You will when joining them, you will join in all steps from A to Z step to make your food instead of just watching, like a lot of other cooking classes. This is a backpacker hotel, Mad Monkey and some travel agency is closed because there is no tourist, no walk-in tourist to sell tour and services. This is a heritage house, an ancient house style in Hanoi. few tourists, only the local people. Welcome to Hanoi Beer Street. At daytime, no one comes here to drink beer, but in the evening it will be much more busy. Thank you very much for watching my video. I'm going to stop right now and see you in the next videos.